it definitely wasn't a UFO. It's actually a new drone company that we started here on the island. If you can see, they're back there. You've seen them flying earlier this evening, and that's it. And here they are. They're going back up. Well, actually, it's a new company. It's a new technology. So the idea is to do drone shows for corporate events, for marketing events as well, and hopefully one day to exchange, instead of having fireworks, we can have drone shows. At the moment we have 50. If you see behind me, there's 50. We have 100 drones at the moment, and we're going to double them up and triple them up in the future. But at the moment we're going to have 100 drones, and we're going to start with that. For the time being, there's no UFOs. It's just us trying out testing out a new drone show for the island.
Sì, DJI nang home pa video com photography, pero sa kita algo full outro, hopinobo tambe, anto um bom experience. Ainda not a piece of cake, ito hobi preparasyon, anto hobi kalkulasyon pa pone algo sina by on, pero tiki-tiki nos está sinhando, anto in the future lot a piece of cake pa nos. Well, buting ko calibratory drone nang, buting ko make sure bo event ta cooperar com o drone nang, buting ko set up turbo access point nang ke satellite nang, anto ore bota crea bo show.
Kiko bota o kita babula 50 den semana que você bula 100 bota clave 6.
Sim, está clave 6. Se tu cos bem bom, nós está se mago também nós bula 100 drones.